Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope y'all are doing well. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And today's video is relative to the reveal of ProCharger's brand new C8 Supercharger kit. This thing is fantastic, or so it appears. So on paper, this thing looks really great. Tons of horsepower, really good appearance, and you know what? Who can complain about that? So this is really neat stuff. Not going to waste your time with a big introduction. Let's just get into this and see what they got. Here we go. The All-American ProCharger company working on C8 Corvettes. The world's first C8 Corvette Supercharger kit provided by ProCharger. They have been working on this for approximately a year now. Can you believe it? 675 horsepower in the base model C8 Stingray. The Tuner Kit Plus starting at $12,899 with the fuel components and timing control. So you're really looking at about $13,000 for a boost of about 180 horsepower. Currently, they are providing the HO Intercooled Tuner Kit Plus with the timing control. So what all can you expect after spending $13,000? Well, number one, the horsepower increases pretty close to the new C8 Z06 at about 670 horsepower. Number two, tested, fitted, and the drivability is good. So no worries there. Number three, a bolt-on kit, no fabrication required, just hand tools. Number four, doesn't take away from the trunk space and matches all the aesthetics of the engine and hatch compartment. Number five, no additional fuel systems, no methanol injection, no port injection. Number six, air-to-water intercooler system. Number seven, CNC Billet intake manifold. Number eight, CNC Billet bracket system. Number nine, self-contained head unit. This is very nice. Let's see what else there might be. Let's see what performance expectations you might have. All right. With 6.5 psi of boost, you should get approximately 0.3 second reduction in the 0-60 times, 8 additional mile per hour in the quarter mile, a reduction in lap times on road courses, and approximately 675 or more horsepower on the dyno when using 93 octane. Now, they do have one disclaimer. And they say, due to variation in fuels across the country, we highly suggest dyno data logging verification after the system is installed to achieve maximum power results. To find out more about this great product, or what appears to be a great product, go out to either the ProCharger website or the ProCharger Superchargers YouTube channel. Hey, well, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe down below. I appreciate that as well. So this is pretty cool news. I have never been in or experienced a ProCharged Corvette before, or Mustang, or whatever. So this would be really cool for me. But like I said, as far as on the paper, it looks really cool. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. And with that, relax. Take it easy. And I will see you later. Bye.